Hey guys, Scotty at Miller Marine. Friday afternoon, wrapping up. Got this old action craft in. Got the hull detailed. Install a new JL audio system. Got the amp inside there. Have a new head unit that goes right there. Put a new switch panel, new trim tab switch. I put a cup holder up there. Put all new pumps in. Hold the motor. Have some fiberglass work done. Replace the pumps that are down in there. Had a jack plate. We're pulling the jack plate off because it doesn't use it. So we're getting that done. Pulled the cowling and everything off the motor. Just have that sent out to paint. And we got this old Hell's Bay in. Get her cleaned up and running again. It's been sitting for a year. Got this Pathfinder in. New GPS we're doing. New underwater lights. Some glass work. Those were where the old ones were. Have those filled. What else are we doing? This one, all new pumps and low test the batteries. We got the K-Moss in for fuel tank. The fuel tank area is ready for the tank to go in. It's gonna be next week. The Intrepid is ready for the console to go back in. Waiting on the crane to come by next week. Got it out of the tent. Got our Donzi project boat, interiors in it, and we just got this new cover fitted for it. Did a new rub rail today as well, and installed the side panel with the shifter and the sub that we got going on. So, Intrepid's still waiting on the fuel pump. Supposedly one's in. And then we got the black fin boat that sunk partly, got the power heads pulled, waiting on the new power heads to show up. And pretty much have everything else done in the boat. New batteries, new battery charger, got all the wiring straightened out, new pumps and everything. So once we get the power heads, this one, all it needs to be done is the detail inside, and that one's done. So that's what we got on this week. So have a good weekend, guys.